Hello everyone, this is Rajesh. Welcome to my channel. In Photoshop, today I am discussing session 3. Okay, to learn C, Java and other technologies, please subscribe my channel. Okay, to open new file, these all default sizes will be present. Okay, file name can be any name. Image size I taken default size, width to 640, height to 480, resolution 72. Okay, mode RGB color or CMYK. Okay, the third session I am defining selections. Okay, using rectangular marquee tool I taken one new selection in the options bar. Okay, adding two selections. Next, adding two selections means I am adding to existing selection. I am adding to existing selection. Okay, subtracting from selection, I am subtracting from existing selection. I am subtracting from existing selection. Okay, I want to show you by zooming options. See, options bar will be present below image menu. Okay, to learn C, Java, other technologies, please subscribe my channel. Okay, to the selection I am added to the selection. Next, I am subtracting from selection. If you want to subtract from selection, see, I have subtracted from the existing selection. Next, subtracting from selection means I am subtracting to the existing selection. I am doing subtraction to the existing selection. Fourth one, interaction with selection. Fourth one, selection have been used. Okay, I am drawing rectangular selection. I am applying background color. These are foreground, background colors. Background color green, foreground color red. I am applying foreground and background colors to the rectangular markup tool. Elliptical markup tool I am drawing. Elliptical markup tool I am drawing. Again go to edit, select to fill, apply foreground or background colors. See, it is filled. Rectangular markup tool using which we can draw rectangular shape. Elliptical markup tool using which we can draw elliptical shape. See, now I am using single row markup tool and single column markup tools also. Single row markup tool. See, if we want to select multiple, shift plus use single row markup tool. See, I'm using single row markup tool. Next I am using single column markup tool. Next I am using single column markup tool. See, I am selecting multiple using shift. Okay, fill background, fill foreground or background color to the single row markup tool or single column markup tool. Have you seen single row markup tool and single column markup tool have used to the image? See, please like, share, subscribe my channel for more updates. Okay, to learn C, Java and other technologies, SQL, Photoshop, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.